Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you are good. I'm John. Today we will discuss one more cue card from the same book, IELTS Jan to April 2021. It's from McCurds. It's a very important book for latest cue cards for both academic and general students. And this cue card is describe a picture or photograph in your home or room that you like. There are 4 questions. First is what is it about? Second question is where is it in your home? Third question is how you got it. Fourth question is why you like it. I did a little bit planning, frankly speaking, so I can start speaking now. As I am a huge fan of art, I love talking about pictures for hours and hours. I have a couple of pictures in my home, but here I would love to talk about a picture that is hung in my bedroom. This picture I bought few years back from Toronto. This picture is very simple. In this picture there is a mahogany table, and on this table there is an open laptop. There are few items of stationeries, and there are a couple of books as well. There is one chair which makes this picture very elegant and decent, and in front of that table there is a window, and beyond that window there is a clear sky and some birds in flying mode. This picture is very personal to me because whenever I see this picture, it gives me huge encouragement and I feel very positive in life. When I feel low or demotivated, I always look at the sky in this picture, and somehow I get some positive energy, and it uplifts me, and I'm able to finish my tasks more easily. These are the things that I like about this picture, and because of these things I have received so many comments from my friends, and I guess yeah, this is the picture that is hung in my room that I really like. Yeah, this is the end of the cue card. I hope I justified the cue card. I could make it more better, I believe, but truly speaking, I am not a art connoisseur. I am just a dilettante, which means I like art superficially. I like art for the sake of art and nothing beyond that. This cue card is tough, and I believe a little bit preparation will make it easier. And there is one more fact that I would like to share with you, is that in IELTS it is 100% legal to lie. If you don't want to tell the truth, you can lie. And if you can create a fictitious story or a false story, then you can create it on the spot, and you don't need to tell anything about your private life. You can just talk about anything random, but there should be, some genuineness in your intonation. Otherwise you will feel nervous because only you know about your lies, and if you realize that you are lying, then you will feel nervous at some point of your exam of speaking. Then I believe if you can lie confidently, do lie strongly, and it will make your cue card easier if lying is your strong point. Second point that I wanted to share is that the beginning of the cue card, that is first few lines, and the end of the cue card, that is the conclusion or the last few lines, are very important, because in the beginning, when you start speaking initial few lines, if you speak it wrongly, then you will become nervous, and that nervousness will be in your speaking, and you will feel kind of shaky, and your speaking will be disconnected, and examiner will easily find this, and definitely you will lose some bands for incorrect first few lines or the conclusion is more important in my opinion, because in conclusion what is more important is that when you reconnect your last few lines with the cue card itself, it ends with a positive note and you feel more confident, and it feels like a task has been accomplished and you have done your job. So always try to reconnect the conclusion of your cue card with the title of the cue card. It will make more sense then. I guess these are the things that I wanted to talk about. I will be back again with one more cue card for your benefit and for the benefit of the community in general. Thank you so much.